Hello, teachers, and all my dear friends. As per the principal's orders, I am here to explain about types of chemical reactions. So, starting with the types of chemical reaction, the first one is combination reaction. It is a type of reaction in which two or more elements combine with each other to form a single compound. For example, carbon react with oxygen to form carbon dioxide gas and hydrogen react with oxygen to form H2O, which is water. In all these reactions, two elements are combining with each other to form a new single compound. This type of reaction is called combination reaction. The next type of reaction is decomposition reaction. It is a type of reaction in which a single complex compound is decomposed into more simpler products by the action of heat, light, or electricity. The action of heat when decomposes a compound, then it is called thermal decomposition reaction. For example, when ferrous sulfate is heated, it decomposes and breaks down into ferric oxide plus sulfur dioxide plus sulfur trioxide. When a compound is decomposed by the action of electricity, it is called electrolytic decomposition reaction. For example, when electric current is passed through water, it decomposes and breaks down into hydrogen and oxygen. When a compound is decomposed by the action of sunlight, it is called photochemical decomposition reaction. For example, when silver chloride is kept in sunlight, it decomposes and breaks down into silver and chlorine gas. The next type of chemical reaction is displacement reaction. In the displacement reaction, the more reactive element exchange the place of or displace the less reactive element in a compound. For example, when iron nail is kept in copper sulfate solution, as the iron is more reactive than copper, iron displaces the copper in the copper sulfate and the new product formed is ferrous sulfate plus copper metal. This type of reaction is called displacement reaction. The next reaction is double displacement reaction. In the double displacement reaction, two compounds exchange their ions and form new compounds. For example, when sodium sulfate is mixed with barium chloride, they exchange their ions and the new compounds formed are barium sulfate and sodium chloride. This type of chemical reaction in which compounds exchange their ions is called double displacement reaction. The next and the last type of chemical reaction is oxidation reduction reaction, which is combinedly called as redox, in which red stands for reduction and ox stands for oxidation. For example, when copper oxide is reacted with hydrogen gas in the presence of heat, it forms new compound which is H2O, water plus copper metal. In this reaction, the oxygen is removed from the copper oxide and the new product formed is only copper metal. So when oxygen is removed from a compound, it is called oxidation reduction, and when oxygen is added to a compound, it is called oxidation. And in this reaction, oxygen is added to the hydrogen and the new compound form is H2O or water. So these were the all types of chemical reactions. Thanks.